Alright, so as we move out in this early Monday morning, big up to all my people going out to work, coming in from work and all these things. Shout out to the people them that work 2 jobs. Shout out to my retirees, my entrepreneurs, all this. It's money making Monday, baby. Up and get motivated right now. This is what I woke up to. And the song is just banging. The man said, if me did know, me would have cut them off long time. When me do them, make them want to stop the beat on my heart. He basically say, you can't trust anything that is mankind. And it's true, because even the Bible tells us, say, what? Don't put your trust in man, put your trust in the Almighty God. Because man will do what? Always fail you. Is that to say that none of us are dependable? Why? We're humans and we fall short a lot of times. You know what I'm saying? None of we are perfect. So, in knowing that, go out today, put your trust in the Most High. I don't know who you want to call the Most High. Every time I do these kind of songs or videos and talk about the Almighty or the Most High, somebody say, always have a group of people that jump in and talk about God is not real and this and that. Me don't want to hear none of that from you. I don't want to hear none of that from you. If that is your doctrine, take it and keep it to yourself. I still respect you if you think that no God exists. I still respect you. You hear what I'm saying? This platform right here is a platform where I give people the right. As long as you're not disrespectful, you're not sending anybody up under their mother just because they don't believe in what you believe in, you're very welcome to come and voice, click keyboard, say what you have to say. Me never say Jesus, me never say Allah, me never say Buddha, me never say Yah, I never said Krishna, I never said any deity, any name. I just said the Most High and the Almighty. Let that fall wherever it falls. If your Almighty and your Most High is Jesus, then that is for you. If it is Rasta for you, then Rastafari be for you. If it's Allah for you, or if it's Yah for you, then let it be so, right? We are moved with God. You understand what I'm saying? We're moving godly and we're moving with God, whether it be inside or outside. Some of us pray and look up to the sky. Some of us pray internally. Some of us summon ancestors' spirits and draw powers from that. Some of us, we just move differently. It's still mutual respect. That is what I want my people to understand. You see what I'm saying? I'm not here to dictate anybody's life, man. I'm here one grain of sand on the seashore, try to figure out my way too. Enough things there before me come here, and enough things are going to be developed after I'm gone, and enough things that are here, was here before I came, are going to be here way after I'm gone. I just passing through. And I just passing through. And I don't want to pass through with a whole heap of fight. You know what I'm saying? Life is simple. Let's not complicate it. Alright? That song here, bad. The man said, if me did know, me would have cut them off long time. Me would have cut them off long time. Can't trust nothing way of mankind. Take your loss and give them more than one time. Pray the words. Listen. Cause no fun we wouldn't die. Yo, mo fight evil with prayer. What? With your blood for you for cover. Oh yeah. If me did know, me would have cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way I'm mankind. Hold it. Alright. So how many times on SouFLoTV I've said to you, keep your circle small. Be very in tune with who you have around you. Who you let into your circle, who you call close friends. One of the saddest things that's happening amongst my people right now, whether we be in the United States of America, Jamaica, Canada, England, or the Caribbean diaspora, we are the ones that are killing off each other, right? Friend killer. That's one of our biggest issues, is friend killer, friends turning against friends. Friends turning against friends. But Marley come and say it. Man to man is so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Only your friend know your secret, so only he can reveal it. The man say, Trapycal. The artist name is Trapycal. T-R-A-P. Trapycal. Alright? Him said Trapycal is his spelling. If me did know, me would have cut them off long time. Can't trust nothing away of mankind. You take your loss and give them more than one time. Still them no want you see the sunshine. The man say you can't fight fire with fire. Cause enough of we wouldn't dare. You can't go around seeking revenge all the time. Because you kill my brother, me kill your brother, my cousin kill you because you kill him cousin, then if your cousin kill my next cousin, then your uncle kill my uncle, then the whole of us kill off each other and dead off. You understand? Me fight fire. You can't fight fire with fire. Him fight evil with what? With prayer and meditation, what a firm meditation. A lot of people don't even want to pray no more. They be like, that's not SouFLoTV, not work. And then, all right, sir, go on. What a firm meditation. That's what me I tell my people them. If me did know, Trapycal thing up. All right. Manners and respect my SouFLoTV audience. Go out there and have a progressive, productive, day. All right. Me loving them. Enough love. All right. Up. And we say up. And that means what? Wake up. Wise up. Rise up. Rise up out of your conditions. Wake up. Wise up and rise up. All right. I'm out. Peace.